So we're going to look at the difference between a web developer and a web designer. So web designer actually is someone who designs the layout of the website, the structure or the colors and the animation that are going to be in the website. So they are responsible for making a responsive website. And the web developer actually also is someone who uses codes to build the design, and someone who writes scripts for a database, and also takes care of the front end and back end development of the website. So the developer uses codes to implement the designs that were made by the designer. In this case, the developer is going to use tools such as Sublime Text, that's text editors, and the Visual Studio Code, the Atom, IntelliSense, and more. And the web designer is also going to use Photoshop, Figma, and mostly UI designs applications to bring out this design for the website. So this simple Photoshop application that's used for designing a login system, and this is the output. So we're going to sit down and use codes to design to bring this output. Web designer is different from a web developer, and they all work together to bring a specific output. So the designer will bring the proposal, and the developer will sit down to implement it with codes and make it functional.